Hi, this is Nitin from TechCaesar. Today I recorded this video to show you what is app into the Salesforce. App is basically collection of tabs and object and the related functionalities. So for an example, we have a sales app and we also have a service app. So sales app will have its own set of uh, objects, while service app will have its own set of objects. So if you will see it here, so here, this is a service app, and service app has these set of tabs: accounts, contact, cases, right? And then if you click on these nine dots and go to the, let's say, sales app. So these are nothing but an app. So here you will see that these are the set of tabs which are part of sales app. So account, if you see, the account and contacts are the common tab between the sales and service. So it means that you can have an object which can be shared between multiple apps. So it's not like that account will have only in this app, but now it cannot be shared with other. Yes, account can have into the one app as well as in other, and will show the same set of records in that app. So it's just a collection of objects that, okay, sales representative want to see these many objects, while service representative want to see these many objects. So it's just creating a group. So if you click on in this nine dot and click on view all, so these are all apps which are visible to a given profile, right? So I'm a system admin, so I can see all, but you can control that what app will be visible to which user. Now there are the two type of apps. Uh, another First one is a standard app. Another one is a custom app. The standard app are the out of the box which comes with Salesforce, and custom app are the one which you create based on the client project requirement. Connected apps are external apps where Salesforce is getting connected with those external apps. So, so to create the app, what you really need to do that you need to click on setup, and then you need to go to the app manager here, and now on the top right corner there is a new lightning app which you need to click to create a new app. But before that, if you see, these are the apps which are coming out of the box, like the sales app or the service app, right? So these are the apps which are coming out of the box, and then you may create more. And it is also telling us that what apps are on the classic versus lightning. So you can take a look here that how many apps are available and what are on lightning versus a old platform. Now clicking, let me click the new one. So here you need to put your app name. Let's say I say test or demo app. Here you put the developer name for API. Here you can put some description. Demo app is created. Here you may put some image for, right, and then you will click on next. There are the two type of app: standard app and console navigation, right? So which for now I will just keep selecting the first one, but in the next video I will show that what's the difference between the standard and console. Now clicking on next. Here you can have a utility item if you want on the bottom, but I'm just skipping it for now. Here you can, now you need to decide that what objects you want to have in your app. So for example, you want account, and you also want, let's say, contacts, and you can also have custom objects as well. Let's say, uh, okay. Uh, Now let's click on next one. Here it is asking that what profile you want to have it. So let's for now I will say system admin profile, but you can select that what profile you want to you are allowing to show. So for now, I'm just selecting system admin and clicking finish. So now demo app has been created, right? And visible. Now if I'll go it here, I need to refresh this page. 1 second. Let me refresh it and do all. Here you will see the demo app is created. Right. Once you click on this, so I have the account and contact tab which was selected. So you may see it here. Right. If you want to edit it, you can go here and edit it. And here you can see that what objects you have selected. You may select more. For example, you can say that I want cases as well, so let's have case as well here, and click save. Now if I will refresh it one more time. Okay. Mm, why is it not displaying? Let me switch it. Let's see. Here's the same. Okay. So clicking it again. Very interesting. It is not showing it here somehow, but ideally it should show. Sometimes it's a cache issue, so that might be a reason. um, Let me try one more thing. Let me log out and log in. Okay, so now once I logged out and logged in, cache was cleared, so you can see that cases tab is available now. So this is the app. So that's how you will put your uh, objects together as a collection and give that collection a name, which is called, so that collection is called a tab app. Now if you want to pull it somewhere on the top, like here, so you can just drag it. So that's how you can set a location that where your demo app will be displayed. Okay, so other than that, if you will come back and so if this was the app which was created, if you click on this little arrow, here you can edit it, delete it, and clone it. So once you will delete it, it will be gone from the menu bar. So you will not be able to access it anymore. This page no longer exists, right? So if you come here, you will not see it. So it's gone here. So that's how the app is working. You might need to create multiple apps because of the project requirement. So yeah, so keep your hands dirty by creating some apps to have that practice. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.